hear me?
I'm not able to do, and I think this is very important. If I don't know the linking between, because the flow, if I don't know properly, that जो आपने board में explain किया था, the way you went very fast, like scope A, so those things are little bit common to me, and I'm just thinking, if that flow is not there, giving mocks is going to help.
Of course, the flow, understanding the flow is very important. So let's discuss one thing. Which
ठीक है.
flow? Once you said the scope flow, okay, that is okay.
Hmm.
Then what of the flow? You are not clear to you.
See, for me, if you ask me like that, which flow is particularly not clear, the linking is still a problem for me, because I'm not able to, my, okay, I'll tell you the reason. मेरा गलती कहाँ हुआ पता नहीं. मैंने ये ITTO by heart करने में बहुत time लगवाया, and I was trying to do बहुत Excel ऊपर नीचे, spend a lot of time in that. वो Excel में उसको color देके, किसी को bold करके सब try किया, but somehow I understood later after watching a video that it has to be, you should have a mind mapping जो आपने कल बनवाया था both students लोगों से. I saw that, even in the agile, you made them, ask them to do a mind mapping, so that, they're putting all the points in one place. And and when I saw that, I've never did all this. मैंने तो ऐसा कुछ किया ही नहीं है. So how do I answer questions? Like if you ask me like in agile, what are the principles? Okay, I can just state that, but like yesterday you were telling, XPP में होता क्या है, then FDD होता क्या है, then TDD होता क्या है. So all this, I saw that, many students, you asked them to make a mind mapping, and they told, then you told them revise this sheet at least 3 times, so that at least the steps they know, like you told अभी किसी ने 3 step लिखा था, then you started correcting them, 3 नहीं इधर 4 होना चाहिए. Like for example, in one case you were telling focus आपने यहाँ पे miss किया था. So at that level you guys are learning, I am only ऊपर से, मतलब I know only, okay, there is something called agile, there is something called story point. उसके अंदर 4-5 जो important points है, that I read it, but I'm not able to retain it back. So this is the issue what I have. So सारे process के I know the top things, but internally if you ask me like scope को बनने के लिए क्या क्या अंदर के और points लगेंगे, so that thing I'm still not able to. It's not that I cannot do it. मेरे को लग रहा है I was not having this focused attention of getting this thing into my head. वो मेरा गलती था. So I need to improve on that. And when I saw your video quite late in the night, it was almost 3:30 तक हो गया था जब तक मैंने mock खत्म किया था. Because I didn't want to, leave what you told me. And mock maybe I got only 35%. 30%, 50 question I could answer only 40. Again, this timing ka. Out of the 40, I could answer 20 questions. Correct. And I know there were 3 or 4 very silly mistakes that I did. जान के भी गलती की थी. So वैसा था मेरा situation.
नहीं, उसमें तो फिर वही बात होगी ना कि आप इतना रात को लेट हो गया था कि योर माइंड स्टॉप्ड वर्किंग.
ये भी हो सकता है.
One thing is this ना, as I told you before, never attempt the mock. लेकिन मैंने बड़ा categorically आपसे रिक्वेस्ट किया था, never attempt the mock in late night. You think कि आप रात को जागते हैं तो you are a late night bird, but you are not.
Oh, ऐसा भी okay.
बात क्या है, देखें, मैं जब काम कर रहा होता हूँ ना, आफ्टर 1 AM समटाइम्स, कुछ दिनों से नहीं, आफ्टर 1 AM मेरी प्रोडक्टिविटी बढ़ जाती है. मेरा काम मेरा बट फॉर 2 hours 1 to 3 AM. आफ्टर दैट मेरी प्रोडक्टिविटी डाउन सडनली.
अच्छा.
लाइक मैं खुद जब अपना कुछ कर रहा होता हूँ 1 से 3 AM एट अ पीक स्टेज, बट आफ्टर 2 hours जो कि मैंने हार्ड वर्क के फोकस वर्क के किए होते हैं, प्रोडक्टिविटी जीरो हो जाती है उसके बाद. जब भी आप कोई काम फोकस के साथ करते हैं ना, आफ्टर डूइंग समथिंग विद फोकस, यू टेक मोर एनर्जी, एंड व्हेन यू टेक मोर एनर्जी देयर इज ओनली वन सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी.
Correct.
तो वो एनर्जी डेसिपेट हो जाती है. When you went to the video, when you go to that detail which you are saying, after that you stopped, your mind stopped thinking that much.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, so that is one of the key reasons that we need to work on how to past beyond that. Secondly, mock we will see how, because it's not the issue of learning, it's not the issue of learning, and time is not an issue. You need to force yourself that 10 questions, if you are doing 50 questions, 10 questions like you need to do in 12 minutes.
Okay. Yeah.
You need to force
Exactly.
yourself.
Yeah. 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Yeah.
12
Not more
minutes.
than that. Yes.
Yes, you need to do that. And if you reach to question number 8 or 7
Hmm.
and you haven't got any time, like you are on 38 minute or 14 minute, see time after 10 question or see time
Okay.
after 12 minute. At start you can do that, you can put alarm on 12 minute.
Ah.
Okay, so
Okay.
if you have reached 12 minute, just mark the
Hmm.
answer, mark the question, answer
Hmm.
B or C, whatever you want to see. Just
Hmm.
एक तुक्का लगा के आगे चले जाए, क्वेश्चन पढ़े बगैर लगा के,
अच्छा.
वो मार्क किया
अच्छा.
होगा, and do it for them so that you can reach
अच्छा.
up to
Mark.
question number 50. You see,
Okay. जी.
this is important to do. And secondly, जो आपने कहा कि you haven't gone to the depth, yes, that is a good thing. If you think कि आपको depth तक जाना चाहिए,
Hmm.
we have that all those things. I did share the
Hmm.
7 days plan with you, na?
I think आपने ये आपका एक टेम्पलेट है ना जिसमें आपने इट इज इन द वीडियो आई थिंक.
Okay,
एक मिनट सर, आपने शायद मुझे भेजा, लेकिन आपने नहीं, शायद नहीं, आपको वीडियो में दिया था. हाँ, इधर है, डे 1 डे 2, ये यही वाला ना, डे 1 डे 2
जी
वाला.
ये वाला, ये
हाँ.
ये देखें. अब इसके अंदर वो जो
हाँ.
आप सारी चीजें कह रहे हैं ना, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप अभी उठे हैं?
हाँ. हाँ. हाँ, मैं 9:45 उठा था.
Okay, like you just woke up, I would say.
या या
तो
या एग्जैक्टली, आई जस्ट
I would,
फिनिश्ड,
I would, I would
चाय
suggest,
पी लिया बस उतना ही.
I would suggest go get अभी क्वेश्चंस करें.
फ्रेशन अप हो गया, फ्रेशन अप हो गया सर, चाय वाय, जस्ट चाय पी लिया, चाय
ये
और बिस्कुट खा लिया बस.
देखिए इसके अंदर ना डे 1, ये पूरा
हाँ.
देखें, ये लास्ट लाइन को छोड़ के, मॉक को छोड़ के, ये देखिए
हाँ.
इसमें जो जो चीजें लिखी हैं वो आपको आती हैं.
Understand why projects are initiated, how they are selected, project charter, journey of a stakeholder. This again, okay, let me read it first before I answer. Criteria of project selection, business case, benefit management, understand 3P of operation, project program, portfolio and operations, life cycle, agile, planned and driven, process delivery, work package data, work package.
वर्क परफॉर्मेंस डाटा, वर्क परफॉर्मेंस इंफॉर्मेशन, वर्क परफॉर्मेंस रिपोर्ट.
See, again,
इट्स
I don't
ओके.
know how to tell you, पता
नहीं नहीं नहीं
नहीं, आप
देखिए
फिर
सर, जो चीज नहीं आती ना वो आप मुझे बताते जाए, वी विल डिस्कस दैट ना. दैट्स व्हाई मैंने ये ओपन किया.
ठीक है. तो मेरा सर, मेरे को इसमें आई नो एवरीथिंग. मेरे को ऐसा नहीं कि व्हाट इज वर्क परफॉर्मेंस डेटा, इट इज दिस इज अ रॉ डेटा व्हिच यू रिक्वायर. वर्क परफॉर्मेंस इंफॉर्मेशन इज व्हिच गोज इनटू all of the control process, and uska output work performance, no, work performance data goes into the control process, and the information you get is work performance
इंफॉर्मेशन.
information.
ठीक
And
है.
for work performance reports are basically some like apna control report,
To combine all
control.
work performance report, work performance information to give one report, one comprehensive report.
Okay. So there is only one work performance report in the entire this
Yes.
thing, or every process has a work performance
नो नो
report?
नो नो, एक प्रोसेस सबको वर्क परफॉर्मेंस, हर कंट्रोलिंग प्रोसेस की जो अपनी जो आती है रिपोर्ट, उसे हम कहते हैं वर्क परफॉर्मेंस इंफॉर्मेशन. देन वी
हाँ.
कंबाइन ऑल द वर्क परफॉर्मेंस इंफॉर्मेशन इनटू वन, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वर्क परफॉर्मेंस रिपोर्ट.
अच्छा, so that means there's only one work. And ये कहाँ, ये किस knowledge
मॉनिटरिंग
area,
एंड
किस
कंट्रोल, मॉनिटरिंग एंड कंट्रोल प्रोजेक्ट वर्क.
project work? Okay, monitoring and control project work का output है. Okay.
जी.
Deliverables are like, there's only one deliverable goes into the journey of deliverables मैंने पढ़ा था, लेकिन again, if you ask me today,
सर जर्नीज को
it is
छोड़ दें, जर्नीज को छोड़ें आप, वो मैं भी आपको करवाता हूँ. ठीक है.
हाँ, ठीक है.
आज हमारा
हाँ,
फोकस मॉक पे बाद में होगा, पहले जर्नीज पे होगा. ठीक
ठीक
है.
है जी. Okay. हाँ. Then project constraints, yes. What are the projects constraints for uh, this is something where I'm stuck. Four values and principles. ये मैंने कर लिया, दैट्स ओके. बेसिस ऑफ स्क्रम आपका कल का वीडियो से पता चल गया. So again, I don't know how to tell you.
सर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रिलैक्स, रिलैक्स, परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है. वी आर नॉट इन अ हरी. We
Okay.
need to think clearly. When human feel in hurry, then we start getting tension. ठीक है? Whatever you don't know, we will just see here and we will study now.
Okay
Okay?
जी.
So on this slide, कौन कौन सी चीजें आपको बहुत ज्यादा तंग कर रही हैं? Just on this slide.
This journey of a stakeholder, उसमें थोड़ा मेरे को confident नहीं है. Projects started initiated, वो सब पता है. Selected क्यों होता है, business plan होता है, business purpose के लिए होता है. Those things I have understood and I can manage that. एक और revision में हो जाएगा, लेकिन journey of इन्हें पता है. Criteria of projection, project selection,
Net present value, IRR,
IRR, yeah, and on
payback
EV.
period, all those things.
Okay, those things. Okay, that I know. I have absolutely no problem. Based on that only, you're selecting a business, and once the business is selected, you get with that business selection, you get into the projects. Okay, so when you know the benefits of either you decide to go ahead or no, and then you once you decide it, then you get into the project. That's how the project is formed. So your business management plan के बाद ही आपका project select होता है.
Okay.
And 3P of operation. Understand 3P of and operations. Project and operations. Project is program is nothing but a collection of projects, and projects in turn is divided into multiple phases. Like projects can be having multi-phase projects, and then when you close a project, then there is a project close gate hota hai. Then you combine all these project close gates, and then you finally uske upar ek project बैठता है. Portfolio is above the program and project. It is something which the company top management decides, and there will be a portfolio manager for that. And the project manager will have to go through the program manager and then to the portfolio manager. Operations is nothing but this is basically once the project is closed, you hand over the project to the operations for the life cycle maintenance of the project.
So very important. Project is temporary, operations are permanent, programs are collection of projects, portfolio के अंदर operations भी आते हैं.
Acha, okay, so this I missed, sir. So under portfolio, the operation also coming, yes. So this is fine with me. Life cycle of an agile and plan driven. Life cycle of agile and plan driven is okay. When the agile journey gets over for a project manager, huh? Once the product is delivered, that's it. I don't think after that. But for software correction and debug, इनके लिए वो किसके पास जाता है agile वाला? Unlike the traditional में they go to the operations, but for agile में where do they go if at all
They go
want
to
to debug?
operation. They go to
They also
operation, manufacturing
they
operation.
have an operational department. Okay, so basically the call centers and other things, right? So if you look at the real world, no, that's for the users, but for the customer who's bought a software from you, yes, they will go to the operations department. Yes, true. 4 values, yes. This I know. Okay, sorry, I'm missing it. Process tailoring. This is something which is really thoda concerned है मेरे लिए. Process tailoring, WPD, these are all delivery.
सारी बात करते हैं ना. Process tailoring is nothing, बस इतनी सी बात है कि आप हर प्रोसेस को कस्टमाइज करते हैं अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रिक्वायरमेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल अभी आप मेरे 10 स्टूडेंट्स और से बात करें ना, मैं सुबह उठा हूँ तो मैं सबसे टेक्सटिंग कर रहा हूँ, हर स्टूडेंट डिफरेंट जगह पे है.
अच्छा.
तो आई एम टेलरिंग ऑल प्रोसेस फॉर एवरीवन एल्स. नाउ जो मेरा पहले प्लान था आपके साथ, दैट वाज एंटायरली डिफरेंट कि आज मैंने क्या करना है. बट सिंस आई सॉ दैट लिटिल बिट आपको ज़्यादा नॉलेज शार्पन की ज़रूरत है, तो आई डिसाइडेड कि आज हम नॉलेज पे टाइम लगाते हैं मॉक की बजाय.
ठीक है सर जी. ओके.
ठीक है, दिस इज कॉल्ड प्रोसेस टेलरिंग. This is process tailoring.
Okay जी, okay, okay.
ठीक है. Then you have work performance data, raw information, facts. जो आपके facts आए वो raw, वो आपके work performance data है. कितने VSDM जो आपके वो है VFD खराब हो गए हैं. That is
हाँ,
raw data. They are facts.
okay.
सच है. कितने खराब हो गए,
हाँ, हाँ,
क्यों खराब हुए हैं भाई, कैसे खराब हुए हैं, कितनी लाइफ हुई है, कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं मिली हमें, सिर्फ
हाँ,
खराब हो गए.
बस,
क्यों खराब हुए हैं, क्या वेरिएंस है, क्या लाइफ थी उनकी, ये हमें बताएगी वर्क परफॉर्मेंस इंफॉर्मेशन.
correct.
वेरिएंस एनालिसिस, सारा एनालिसिस
हम्म,
वर्क परफॉर्मेंस इंफॉर्मेशन में आएगा. जो डाटा आपका था उसको कॉन्टेक्चुअलाइज करेगा. फर्दर इसकी
अच्छा,
एग्जांपल लें. कितने कोरोना के पेशेंट आए हैं जी इंडिया में? 2500 आए हैं भाई.
हम्म,
2500 आए हैं, इसका क्या मतलब है? दीज आर फैक्ट्स. दिस इज ट्रू. कितने आए वैसे इंडिया में कल?
सर नहीं पता सर, मैं तो आई एम टोटली आउट ऑफ ऑल दिस नाउ.
व्हाट अबाउट यूएई?
यूएई में भी मेरे ने आई थिंक इट इज अराउंड 1000 केसेस तो रहता ही है इधर.
चले,
दैट इज फॉर श्योर.
देखिए ना, अब ये जो आपने बताया ना 1000 रहता ही है, दैट इज वर्क परफॉर्मेंस इंफॉर्मेशन, कि ये
हाँ,
वेरिएंस
ओके.
इतना आ ही रहा है. You have
रॉ
a trend.
इंफॉर्मेशन. ओके.
When you have a trend of something, that is work
हाँ,
performance information.
अच्छा, ट्रेंड. ओके, ओके.
ट्रेंड्स आ गया, वेरिएंस आ गया, एनालिसिस आ गया ना.
अच्छा,
डाटा
हाँ,
सिर्फ
हाँ,
एक इंफॉर्मेशन, एक डाटा सिर्फ एक फैक्ट है जो हुआ
हाँ,
है.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
अच्छा.
जब when you do some kind of analysis on it, it become work performance information. Clear?
ठीक है जी. ओके सर, एक मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँ, कैन आई रिकॉर्ड दिस व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, बिकॉज इट विल हेल्प मी सर, बिकॉज मेरा क्या है ना, मेरा माइंड इज लाइक अ
Sir, I'm
बीवड़ी
recording
माइंड
it.
एक्चुअली.
Sir, I'm
हाँ,
recording it. I can share that with you.
ओके, दैट्स एक्सीलेंट सर,
I
थैंक
don't
यू
know
सो
when
मच.
I started recording, but it is recording.
थैंक यू सो मच. इट विल रियली हेल्प मी, मेरा जो थोड़ा जो मिस हो गया, देन आई नीड नॉट अगेन कम बैक टू, आई कैन गो थ्रू दिस, इट विल हेल्प मी
No
आल्सो.
issue, sir.
थैंक यू.
No issue. No issue. That data and information is clear now.
यस.
Now, sir, thing is this. Let's say,
Information is trends, and data is very raw data which is
हाँ,
just not filtered,
your
and
observations and all those things. अब देखिए सर, let's say you have 10 departments. हर
हाँ,
डिपार्टमेंट ने अपनी अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन बनाई है.
हाँ,
Being a
हाँ,
project manager, if all of them
हाँ.
forward it to sponsor, that will become just rubbish.
Rubbish data, yeah,
Yes,
garbage.
rubbish info. So many reports. Sponsor don't
Yeah,
want that. You
correct.
know that they want only high level information.
High level
What
information.
you
Yes,
do, you combine the information, all information comes to you, okay,
yeah,
and you make one report.
correct.
Okay, that's it. Is it clear
Okay,
now?
perfect. Yes.
Now on this slide, only on this
Mm,
slide, apart from
mm,
journey of stakeholder, what else you are
mm.
not sure of?
See, I'm also not sure on the this what is it called, portfolio management होता है ना, उसमें मेरा काफी I get confused with the portfolio. कैसे उसको how do they manage the portfolio?
First of all, you don't need to get worried about that thing, क्योंकि आपके एग्जाम की वो इतना स्कोप में नहीं है. ठीक है.
हाँ, 8% कुछ है ना उसमें पूरा
नहीं नहीं, वैसे
बिजनेस
भी
का.
वो उसमें से क्वेश्चन नहीं आने. देखिए, पायरेटो यूज करना है हमने अपने प्रिपरेशन में.
हाँ, हाँ,
20% पे फोकस करना है टू गेट 80% रिजल्ट.
करेक्ट. ओके,
ठीक है.
ओके,
Since
ओके,
we are against deadline, so we don't need to go into detail of everything. ठीक.
ओके जी. ओके, ओके
लेकिन
जी.
since you asked, so I'm going with that. ये
हम्म,
देखें आपका, ये आपका कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट है, ये
हाँ,
स्टार्ट डेट होती है और एंड डेट होती है. एट द एंड ऑफ द
ओके.
डे एक डिलीवरेबल प्रोड्यूस होता है, एंड
हम्म,
डिलीवरेबल प्रोड्यूस होके ये ऑपरेशन में चला जाता है. दैट
करेक्ट
इज
सर.
प्रोजेक्ट.
ओके,
ठीक है. प्रोग्राम क्या होता है? प्रोग्राम इज अ कलेक्शन ऑफ रिलेटेड प्रोजेक्ट्स.
ओके.
रिलेटेड प्रोजेक्ट्स.
प्रोजेक्ट,
फॉर
रिलेटेड प्रोजेक्ट
एग्जाम्पल,
सर.
यू आर मेकिंग
ओके.
अ हाउस. ठीक है, इसमें सब प्रोग्राम भी आ जाते हैं. एक
हम्म,
प्रोग्राम पुणे, एक घर पुणे में बनाया है, एक घर चेन्नई
हाँ,
में बनाया है, एक घर मुंबई में
हाँ,
बनाया
हाँ,
है. इट मेक सेंस कि आप उनको एक प्रोग्राम के थ्रू सबको मैनेज करें, सो दैट के रिसोर्सेज बेहतर इस्तेमाल हो सके.
हाँ जी.
राइट. राइट.
हाँ,
So
या,
that is basically program management.
ओके
But
जी.
programs, since they are just a collection of projects, collection of
हम्म,
related projects, so they are also temporary.
Temporary, okay. Program is also temporary. Okay, that's a very valid point. Yes.
Okay, this is clear now.
Yes, perfect. Yeah.
Okay, then we go to portfolio. Portfolio क्या है? Portfolio is a collection of projects, program and operations.
Okay. Okay.
आपके क्या प्रोजेक्ट्स हो रहे हैं,
Okay.
क्या प्रोग्राम्स हैं,
Okay.
एंड व्हाट आर योर ऑपरेशंस. ठीक
Okay.
है, ये सब कुछ
Okay.
मैनेज कर रहा है आपका पोर्टफोलियो.
Okay जी.
बट रिमेंबर वन थिंग, इस प्रोग्राम्स में भी प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं, बट ये प्रोजेक्ट्स रिलेटेड होंगे.
अच्छा. हाँ. Just now we told that. Yes.
हाँ, ये वाला
Related
प्रोजेक्ट,
project.
ये प्रोजेक्ट और ये प्रोग्राम, दे आर नॉट रिलेटेड.
Okay. Perfect. Yes. Very nice. Yeah.
Okay, then it goes to operations. Once that is done, और operation is basically जो business को value दे रहा है.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Business value.
if we put
Right.
it into the organizational project management framework, क्या होता है? Organization की एक strategy होती है. We want to achieve this. होती है ना?
Yes.
से organization की strategy है, we want to earn $3 billion in 2021. Okay.
Okay.
Organization जो बताता है portfolio को, भाई portfolio हमने इतना earn करना है. पोर्टफोलियो प्रोग्राम्स एंड प्रोजेक्ट करता है. ठीक है, जो कि आपको रिजल्ट्स देते हैं. ये रिजल्ट्स ट्रांसफर होते हैं ऑपरेशंस में.
ओके जी.
ठीक है, ऑपरेशन इन रिजल्ट्स को मेजर करता है और ये वापस बताता है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को कि भाई हमने 3 बिलियन कहा था, लेकिन हम तो अपने टारगेट से पीछे जा रहे हैं. वी नीड टू डू मोर और लेस, जो भी ऑपरेशन.
Okay.
This is called organizational project management framework.
Organization project management framework. Okay. इसमें एक just एक doubt है. See, आपका जो benefit plan है, because I have seen that when you close a project, the project कल एक question में ऐसा था कि the project manager is summarizing how this has benefited the organization. So he is going through the business plan. He is revisiting the business plan. So, how is it linked to the operations? That's my question. You're telling operations will give a feedback to the portfolio, right? So, वो operation तक गया कहाँ से?
Let me add it there. Need assessment करते हैं आप, कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट करना है, उसका बिजनेस केस बनता है.
Okay, हाँ, right.
बिजनेस केस एंड बेनिफिट मैनेजमेंट प्लान बनता है. Once
अच्छा.
that is final, you get project charter. Once project charter is there, you do project.
Right.
Once the project is done, you give it to operations. प्रोजेक्ट है या प्रोग्राम है, दिस इज बोथ द सेम. ठीक है, ये नीड असेसमेंट और पोर्टफोलियो है. ठीक है, उसी फ्रेमवर्क में कराते हैं. नाउ यू सी, once this is done, this was initiated on this and this was based on these benefits. So operation is actually checking कि ये benefits मिले भी हैं कि नहीं.
No, my question was whether project का जो manager है उसको नहीं पता चलेगा, because he also should know ना whether the इसमें जो project है इसमें फायदा हुआ.
He also knows, लेकिन जब आप किसी को दे रहे हैं तो उसने मेजर करना है ना. मैंने ये चेयर खरीदी है कि मेरी बैक में प्रॉब्लम ना हो. अब मैं इसका ऑपरेशनल मैनेजर हूँ, जब ये मेरे पास आएगी तो मैंने चेक करना है मेरी बैक में पेन खत्म हुई है कि नहीं हुई. अगर नहीं हुई, देन आई हैव टू से कि प्रोजेक्ट तो यूजलेस है.
अच्छा. So the project manager can also review it and he can also understand it, but the responsibility of measuring that is lying with the operations.
Operations or beyond the project manager.
Okay. वो decide करेगा कि project फायदे में था कि नहीं, not the project manager. He can only give his view or he can say okay, ये project मैंने तो ठीक किया है.
हाँ, things like that.
आप देख लो कि ये सही है कि नहीं.
ये 3 डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो है ना, इसको प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर चेंज नहीं कर सकता.
अच्छा.
This is beyond his authority. His authority starts after project chart.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Correct. Yeah. Yes.
उस जो हमारे जहां हम खेल रहे हैं, that is after project charter. Yes.
Correct.
He is involved in making the project charter. Yes, all those things. ठीक है, मैं इसको थोड़ा सा एलैबोरेट करता हूँ आपको ना, फर्दर चीजें क्लेरिफाई करने के लिए. कि अब मैं आपको ना एक पूरा फ्लो बना के देता हूँ इन नेक्स्ट 30 मिनट्स. तो वो आप फिर मुझे बताइएगा, उसमें सारी जर्नीज अब मैं कवर करने जा रहा हूँ. ठीक है.
ओके जी.
तो इफ यू नीड अ 1 मिनट ब्रेक, यू कैन टेक अ ब्रेक.
Can I take?
So the first and most important thing is that in an organization you get need assessment. You want to do
Okay.
something, a project need is created. Now there are
Hmm.
various reasons how the need can be created. A sponsor can ask directly, sponsor or a stakeholder can ask directly that we want this project to happen. Customer can request, there can be need in the market, a product improvement, whatever there is.
Hmm.
As a result, we get a need that we need to do some project. We do that need assessment of that, means we do feasibility.
Hmm.
Is this project will be feasible? Now when we are
Feasible.
talking about feasibility, it can be, mostly it is considered as cost feasibility, but it can be
Hmm.
operational feasibility. What we are
Okay.
doing, will it add to our bigger picture? Will it be technically feasible or not?
Correct.
All type of feasibility we will look into detail.
Okay.
Once the feasibility report is done, then and it is approved, we
Hmm.
make business case. Now business case is purely cost benefit analysis, cost benefit or benefit to cost analysis. It will have
Correct.
all the options that we can do. It will have
Okay.
ROI, what will be the ROI of project,
Correct.
payback period,
Correct.
maybe net
IRR.
present value, IRR. Remember
Hmm.
this thing. ROI
Hmm.
has to be good. More
Yeah.
ROI, the better it is.
Practice.
NPV having greater than zero value is good.
Hmm.
IRR
Highest, and you have to take the highest. What is the
highest.
highest PV? जो
Highest.
highest in PV उनको आपको select करना है.
Yes. In payback period, we have to select the lowest.
The minimum payback period.
Minimum payback period. So once
Correct.
that is done, business case is selected, then we
Correct.
make benefit management plan.
Okay.
Although we have benefit in the business case also, but we make
Okay.
specifically benefit management plan to target what
Hmm.
are the benefits. Target
Okay.
benefits, we identify them.
Okay. जी.
These will be the benefits, blah, blah, blah. And
Hmm.
we will make a benefit matrix.
Okay.
Who will be the benefit owner? All
Okay.
those things will be there. Okay?
Okay. जी. Okay.
So we get benefit management plan. Once that is done and that is
Hmm.
approved, that is done, that is approved, we make
Okay.
our project charter.
Project charter. Okay.
Now project charter is an official document. It's a
Okay.
very important document, the first document of project. It will have
Okay.
who will be the project sponsor and his
Hmm.
signature. Okay?
Okay.
What will be the project objective
Hmm.
and key milestones like start
Okay.
date, end date,
Hmm.
high level deliverables, cost,
Stakeholders.
need of the project, who will be the stakeholders, high
Hmm.
level team, high
Hmm.
level risk,
Risk high level.
high level assumptions,
High level
constraints,
assumption.
all these things will be there.
Constraints.
And in last, we will have the name of the project manager
Hmm.
and his authority. What is the authority of project manager? Okay,
Okay.
this is clear.
Myself. If I get that same question, I'll come back to you on that. Sir.
We will share once the project charter is made.
Mm-hmm.
We will share
Okay.
it with all the stakeholders to get their buy-in.
Okay.
Okay, we
Got
share
it.
it with the stakeholders to get their buy-in. So project
Okay.
charter is done. So far we
Okay.
have made business case, benefit management plan, and from
Plan.
there we
Okay.
make project charter.
Project charter.
Very
Perfect.
important thing to understand, while
Hmm.
we are making project charter, we must know the tools, templates, all those things of organizations,
Hmm.
policies, procedures which we are going to follow. Then enterprise environmental factor.
सर इसमें एक मेरा डाउट है एंटरप्राइजेस एनवायरनमेंट फैक्टर में होता क्या बिकॉज दिस इज टोल्ड एक्सटर्नल एंड इंटरनल टू द बिजनेस
It is internal
लॉ
and external. This is basically culture, customs, language, infrastructure,
लोकेशन
resource,
वगैरह वो सब होता है फैक्ट्री का लोकेशन वगैरह वो है
रिसोर्स, यस, ऑल दोज थिंग. देखिए सर, आप
ओके
जब अपना प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, कौन से कल्चर में कर रहे हैं, अब आप काम कर रहे हैं ना यहाँ पे मिडिल ईस्ट में.
यूएई
मंडे को होली है, होली मंडे को है ना.
मंडे पता नहीं कब होली का नहीं आई डोंट वी डोंट सेलिब्रेट होली ओके मंडे मुझे नहीं पता
No, there is a student, my student Ikram. No, no, not Ikram.
हाँ
Ikram, that is it. Machinder. Machinder is in
हाँ
India. So he's taking a day off from Saturday afternoon till Monday. So he said
हाँ
there is a Holi. So that's why I'm
अच्छा हाँ
so that's why I'm saying. So that's the
हाँ
thing. But you are in
ओके
UAE, you don't celebrate that culture or custom.
ओके
Okay? But in India, if you are in India, then
yes you definitely Holi is a big festival there yes
yes. So that's the thing, that's the infrastructure, that are enterprise external enterprise environmental factors, the
Hmm.
culture of the country, the culture of all those things. Then your organization also have their own culture. The organization
Hmm.
also have their own customs, all those things
Okay.
of the organization. So you look for that and you utilize that in your benefit. Now you're in Middle East, so you get holiday on Friday. If you are in
Correct.
India, you will get
Sunday.
holiday on Sunday.
Correct.
Okay? So
Okay.
many things that are basically of cultures and customs. Then
Okay.
here you need to speak Arabic if you want to
Yeah.
go to exceed. But in India, you know, don't need to speak Arabic. And
Correct.
so on. If you are in US, you just need to speak English.
Correct.
Okay?
Right.
So all these things, then infrastructure, क्या क्या चीज़ें अवेलेबल है, रिसोर्स, यहाँ पे आपको शायद यूएई में चीप मैन पावर मिल जाएगी बिकॉज ऑफ पाकिस्तान, इंडिया, बांग्लादेश, पीपल आर देयर. बट इफ यू गो
Correct.
टू यूएस, देन यू डोंट, इवन
Impossible.
पाकिस्तान, इंडिया, बांग्लादेश, वहाँ पे भी होंगे, बट दे विल नॉट बी चीप देयर, दे विल बी
Correct. Will be
एक्सपेंसिव.
expensive. Yes. Yes.
ठीक है. सो
Yes,
ऑल
sir.
दो. फिर उसके बाद हाउ यू गेट वर्क ऑथराइज, योर वर्क ऑथराइजेशन सिस्टम.
Okay.
This is also enterprise environmental factor. Now it is all
Okay.
internal as well as external. How you get permit to work. Now in
Okay.
India,
Mm,
maybe
yes.
the process will be very easy. You just go and start working it. But in UAE, the process is a little bit hard.
Correct.
Okay. So you have work authorization system. Then how you communicate information, project management information system.
Okay.
Project management information system, how you communicate information. WhatsApp calling is not allowed there. What is allowed,
Correct.
what is not allowed, what are the tools you have, all those things
Okay.
comes under project management information system.
Information.
So all
Okay.
these things are basically enterprise environmental factor.
Okay. One question: this PMIS, is it something to do with the um, like, for example, we have this MS project, right? MS project also falls under PMIS.
Yes,
MS project.
all communication tools fall under
Okay.
it.
Okay. MS. Okay, that's it. So we are oh, right. Okay. Perfect.
All communication tool, not one two thing,
Okay.
everything fall under it.
Okay. All communications. Yeah.
Okay.
Right, boss. Okay.
So OPAs and EEF is clear now?
Yes. Perfect. Yeah.
Okay. Once that is done, then you go to the next step. That is you identify the stakeholder. You identify
Okay.
all your stakeholder.
Okay.
All stakeholders must be identified. Okay?
Okay.
You identify all stakeholder and you put them in stakeholder register. Now that's a
Extra.
very confidential documents. Depending on the
Okay.
project to project, most of the time you don't share it with anyone. Only
Okay, ji.
you and the team members have this register. Okay?
Okay.
What does it have? It has name of the stakeholder,
Uh,
designation,
uh,
his power, what is his power, what is his interest,
power
urgency may
details.
be, how much legitimacy may be,
Uh,
okay, how to, what
urgency.
is his current engagement level, and what is our desired engagement level, okay. So
Okay.
name, it can come name, ठीक
Okay.
है, then his job description, JD,
Okay.
okay, then
Okay.
what is his power, what is his
Okay.
interest, okay,
Okay. Okay.
strategy to manage him,
Strategy. Okay.
करंट एंगेजमेंट लेवल, अभी वो कितना प्रोजेक्ट में कहाँ पे है, डिजायर्ड
Uh,
एंगेजमेंट लेवल. You
correct.
put all those things and maybe remarks here. Okay.
Right.
So the step number one is to get all the stakeholders. Once you get all the stakeholder, we have three tools to analyze the stakeholder. The first one is power and trust matrix.
Okay.
You see, in the first quadrant, high power, high interest, high power, high interest. The second quadrant, low power, high interest. In the third quadrant, low power, low interest. In the fourth quadrant, high power, low interest. This is clear what I made this.
Yes, yes, yes. This is clear. This
So,
four quadrants are.
हाँ, जिसकी high power, high interest है, we need to manage them closely.
Mm-hmm.
Who are these? These are sponsors. वो लोग
Okay.
जिनके पास पावर भी है और जिनका प्रोजेक्ट में इंटरेस्ट भी है. All those people.
Mm. Correct. Okay. Makes sense.
Then we have those people जिनके पास पावर तो नहीं है लेकिन उनका इंटरेस्ट बहुत है. They want
Sure.
information like media.
Okay.
So we keep them informed. They are just interested in it. They don't have power. Then we have stakeholders जिनके पास पावर है लेकिन इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. गवर्नमेंट के लोग पावर होती है उनका
Okay.
इंटरेस्ट होता है प्रोजेक्ट में जो मर्जी करो आप.
Okay, ji.
क्लियर.
Okay, perfect. Yeah.
Then we have stakeholders which neither have power nor they have any interest.
Uh,
Okay, we put them in watch list. We put them in watch list.
Okay.
यहाँ
So,
तक clear?
one question: where does our our team lie in this? Our team will be also in this
Okay, very important
low
thing.
power, high interest में होगा ना?
Very important thing. We generally classify team separately. हम अपनी टीम को इसके अंदर नहीं रखते. Team we manage through
अच्छा.
resource management.
Okay, very nice. Okay.
But we can do them. अगर टीम आएगी तो टीम will come here.
Okay. Team को भी इसमें डाल सकते. We can put our team also, right?
We can put out, but generally we don't do. Okay.
But one doubt इसमें है. Then you told that JD देना है इसमें. JD means job description. That is वो team का ही हो गया ना? It will not be outside of the team, right?
टीम का डाल दें आप. But what I meant to say is like CEO, MD, maybe supplier, all those things.
Okay.
But you can add team here. There is no rule that you don't add team here. But as a general, we classify team in our resource management.
Correct. Okay.
So far this is clear.
Perfect. Yes.
Then we also have two other matrices to analysis. Salience model that we use
Okay.
3 power,
Power.
urgency and legitimacy. And we have stakeholder cube. We use power, interest and attitude in it. ठीक हो गया?
Okay. Okay.
Once you have classified the stakeholders, okay, then we need to see their engagement level. We use stakeholder engagement matrix for that.
Okay.
Okay. What is that? All those stakeholders who have high power, high interest. Okay. First we classify them. देखिए रैंक करने का या क्लासिफाई करने का रीजन क्या था? So that we can manage them. We don't need to manage all stakeholders, but the one which we need to manage, let's see how we manage them.
Okay.
Okay. So let's say we have stakeholders having high power, high interest. We are only focusing on all. So let's say there's a stakeholder Rahul. Then there's a stakeholder. Let's 3 or 4 stakeholders we take. There's a stakeholder Rahul, name. Then there is a stakeholder of Waji, Ali, Jiku, Shahid. Let's say these are stakeholders having high power, high interest. So we need to see, are they unaware of project? Are they resistant of project? Are they neutral of project? Sportive or leading?
Okay.
At every time of the project, we need to see what is their status. Where do they lie? Where do they fall? Okay? We need to see that. Let's say Rahul's current engagement level is unaware. We want him to be sportive. Vaji current engagement level is resistant. We want him to be sportive. That is desired
Okay.
level. Jiku current engagement level is neutral. We want him to be sportive. Ali current
Okay.
engagement level is sportive and we want him to be sportive. Shahid is leading. We want him to be leading.
Uh,
Okay. So
okay.
we have made this stakeholder engagement matrix. Now we make
Okay.
stakeholder engagement plan.
Okay.
Stakeholder engagement plan is nothing but all the strategies that we use to change this current engagement level to our desired engagement level.
Okay. Current to desire is in state engagement
We
matrix,
make
and then
stakeholder engagement plan to engage stakeholders throughout the project. And when we say
okay.
that we are trying to engage the stakeholder, this is the real meaning. We are trying to change their current engagement level according to
Uh,
our desired engagement level.
okay.
This is clear?
Okay. Done. Absolutely no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is basically we made stakeholder engagement plan. That is
Mm,
done. Then then we manage them. In
mm,
execution, we ensure that their state remains managed through communication, through use of emotional intelligence, all those things, and then we monitor their stakeholder engagement throughout the project. That is
okay.
basically your stakeholder journey.
Okay.
Do you
So
have any
what
question here?
one question is, I'm sure with this, what you told me just now, this is a document which gets updated almost every other day, right?
Okay.
Like where they are, like it's like a project manager ka kaam hai ki he keeps on revisiting this every now and then, or is there any end to this?
No, no, this is a continuous process, no? This is
Okay,
a
this is
continuous
continuous.
process.
Okay.
Okay. Now just to give you a context, जो मैंने explain किया है from the notes. Okay. So what we did, we identified the stakeholder, we plan their engagement, we manage their engagement, we monitor their stake relationship. Okay. We identify all the stakeholders, we review them, ensure them, we consult them. Okay.
Mm,
So
mm,
stakeholder is anyone who may be affected by the project decision or anything. We
mm,
identify all stakeholders throughout the project, involve their engagement. Okay.
mm, mm, mm,
So how we identified that? Identify the stakeholder. We use stakeholder analysis, power interest. Now it is important to understand some stakeholders are upward, they are your senior, some are downward, some are sidewards, all those things. Then we use salience model. Okay. As a result,
mm,
we get stakeholder register in which
mm,
we have the information about them, their classification. Okay.
mm,
So we do after all these things, we get this stakeholder register. Please read.
mm. Okay. Identify stakeholders. Output is stakeholder register. Okay. A project document including identification, assessment, and classification of project stakeholders. Identification, name, organization, position, location, contact details. Assessment, major requirements, expectations, potential influence, phase with the most influence or impact. Classification, internal, external, impact, influence, power, interest, upward, downward, outward, and sideward. Name, designation, level of influence, current engagement, target engagement level. Yes. Register will be updated with new stakeholder as project progresses. It's a continuous process. Yes.
ठीक है.
And oh, yes.
Then
Okay. This is
we have made
yes.
stakeholder
I think
register. You want
it
to say
is
something?
used. Oh, miss हो गया, sir. It is used in where वो एक stakeholder register कहाँ use होता है वो एक question उसका नीचे दिया था वो
Throughout the project. It
नहीं
is
उसमें नीचे some process में उसको link किया था हाँ here
used actually. That is the input कि वो कहाँ का input जाता है. देखिए
no that's what collecting requirement
engagement plan करते हैं. Engagement is just कि हम उनकी expectation according to और करते हैं. ये current engagement level, desired engagement level. We discuss this. This is clear, ना?
correct this is very clear yes
As a result, we get stakeholder engagement plan. Now, I open notes for this specially. Please read. What is stakeholder engagement plan?
Stakeholder management is data gathered in stakeholder register, desired and current engagement levels of stakeholder, identified interrelation and potential overlap between stakeholders, stakeholder communication requirements for current project phase, information to be distributed to stakeholders, including language, format, content, and level of default, reason for distribution of that information, time frame and frequency of distribution of required information to stakeholders, method for updating and refining stakeholder management as a project progresses and develops.
ओके,
Okay.
हम इसको एक और नोट से पढ़ते हैं जी। स्टेक होल्डर एंगेजमेंट प्लान में क्या आता है? अच्छा जी, प्लीज रीड।
Okay. It contains the uh, management strategies to effectively engage stakeholders. Okay. Desire the current engagement level of the this thing, how to reduce resistance and maximum support, identified interrelationship and potential overlap between stakeholders, communication requirements, information, time, frequency, formats, etc., methods of updating and refining stakeholder management plan. कम्युनिकेशन रिक्वायरमेंट क्या होता है सर इसमें?
सर किसको कौन सी इंफॉर्मेशन देनी है, कब देनी है, किस तरह देनी है, ऑल दोस थिंग्स।
ओके ओके राइट।
ठीक है, सो देन वंस द एंगेजमेंट इज डन, देन एग्जीक्यूशन में हमने सिर्फ इंश्योर करना है कि जो हमने कम्युनिकेशन एग्री की थी वो हम लोग उसको इंश्योर करें, उनके प्रॉपर रिलेशनशिप को प्रोसीड कर सके, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम वगैरह उसके अंदर ना आए, थ्रू यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ ग्राउंड रूल्स, ठीक है, टीम चार्टर एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स ना। ओके, देन मॉनिटर के अंदर हम क्या करते हैं, हम इंश्योर कर रहे होते हैं कि जो प्लान किया था एक्चुअली वो फॉलो हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा। Okay. Okay. Now what I want is that communication is simply the most effective thing in this. Like we have just discussed, a project charter is formed. When we make a project charter, we communicate it to all important stakeholders, and it is important that we communicate to all stakeholders. And similarly, we identify stakeholder. Make a stakeholder registered power and trust using power and trust matrix. We see the 2 by 2 matrix, how to do that. Even we did 20 questions on that. We saw salience model, stakeholder cube, then current engagement, desired engagement, that stakeholder engagement matrix. Then we made stakeholder engagement plan. That is nothing but to ensure that the stakeholders are aligned with us. Then we manage their execution, monitor them, and if a new stakeholder is identified, we go back to the step number 1 and we repeat it. So that was all about stakeholders, right?
Very important. You point you told me. Even I was reading through the wrong answer that I did. The last question, what I did wrong. Very clearly, they are telling if there is a new stakeholder getting added, means a lot of your plans are getting changed. You know, many of the connected plans are getting changed. Better to go and get a CCB approval and get this documented.
You see,
though it is my answer was wrong because I was, the moment you identify a stakeholder, you need to do an analysis. That's why I went and stick that answer. I think with this explanation of yours and that question what they were answered, I feel yes, we should go to the CCB for any changes in the stakeholder register once it is approved.
We don't need to worry about this thing that you are not getting good results. You are getting good knowledge. Only issue that I have is that you don't use elimination technique, but now you are using slowly, and you are reading question properly. So with that, you can do the questions. You have a knowledge, and today's session is all about to fill that knowledge gaps you have, so that we can work in a better way. So then what we are doing, it's all about communication. Major job of project manager is communication.
90%.
Some people says that 90% of the job of the project manager is communication, and in my experience 100% of the job of the project manager is communication. So when we talk the communication, we need to plan the communication, then we need to execute the communication. When we're talking about the communication, communication is only done with the stakeholders. Now that stakeholder or team also come as a stakeholder. So all the communication is done between the stakeholders. Now the communication can be formal, it can be informal. Okay. But the purpose of the communication remains the same. The communication is just to put the information from your mind to other people's mind. Whatever the communication is, put the communication from my mind to your mind. That is the job of the communication. Nothing more, nothing less.
Okay.
Okay? What I want to know, I need to communicate it to you. That is
Uh,
communication. So just like stakeholders, we plan for communication, we make a
uh,
communication management plan. It's
uh,
all about ensuring stakeholders. Then we
okay.
manage the communication where we actually execute communication. Here project
Okay.
communication is
So, are you sharing some screen with me?
no, no.
No, no, we are only talking now because I'm not seeing anything because you're
I'm not
clicking. I
sharing
thought
anything.
you're doing
I'm not,
something. Karke.
I'm not sharing anything. Then
Okay, okay,
along the way you monitor the communication. You see the
okay.
most important thing is to ensure your communication management plan.
Mm-hmm.
Your communication management plan. Now, this communication management plan will tell you what format to use.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, is the communication formal or informal?
Okay,
Formal, informal. Is the communication verbal or oral? Verbal or
okay,
written?
okay,
Verbal or written? Okay.
okay.
Now we need to use, sir, we need to understand the culture assessment when we are talking about the communication. We discussed a lot about the culture. We need to understand the culture diversity. Okay. When I'm talking to German people, when I'm talking to US people, I actually abuse, like they are talking while they are abusing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. They have this
We
abuse in
talk,
their
they
language.
abuse, I talk when they abuse. But when I am talking to you, even I get a lot harsh, even I get mad, I will not abuse.
Mm-hmm.
Why? In Pakistan Indian
Culture.
culture, in Pakistan Indian culture, we don't,
Tehzeeb.
yes, tehzeeb, we don't accept that.
Correct. Yeah.
We don't
आप
accept.
बोलना है किसी को.
Yeah,
Yeah. Yes.
yes. मैं आपको कोशिश करता हूँ मैं आप बोलने की, ठीक है?
नहीं नहीं मतलब मैं भी आपको आप ही बोलूंगा
हाँ,
because that's how
क्योंकि यू
we
आर सेइंग
our
आप
culture is.
बिकॉज आई एम टीचर, आई एम सेइंग आप क्योंकि आप बड़े हैं मेरे से,
Okay. And
ठीक
for
है?
me, it's like whenever you speak to a guru or somebody who's mentoring you, it's always should be with respect, a lot of
With
respect.
respect, that's culture. That's you saying. Even with the people now in Saudi, in Oman, especially, I have two students and they're younger than me, but they talk me in the normal way. You're talking to a friend because now they're following American culture. Okay,
Okay.
so culture diversity is very important. Then religious diversity. If there's a female there, you have to be
Mm,
very, very, very,
very
especially
careful.
in my field. Actually,
Yeah.
my guru, many gurus said that because I'm a public speaker. Also, I do time management or and motivation things. So when I'm on stage, that is something that actually attracts women. So I am
Mm,
very, very much careful to not cross the line. Use
mm.
words in such a way that it is not offensive, plus it is
Mm.
not pleasing also. Let's
Correct. Okay.
someone get a negative comment on that basis. So we you need same goes for you, sir. When you are a
Correct.
process manager, you always thinking like they are Arabic females. They don't get a negative sign from you,
Correct.
okay?
Correct.
Because any sign can go against us.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, so we are here for our job. We need to understand the goal is to execute the project.
Correct.
The goal
Correct.
is to execute the project. We need to understand the culture diversity, the sex diversity, the religious diversity. Like
Mm,
I never talked about. Only one thing I talked about was Holi because the event is
mm.
coming up.
Correct.
Otherwise, I don't talk a religious thing with you. I didn't talk
Correct.
about
Yeah.
Pakistan India issue. Apart from that,
Yeah.
we can talk about cricket. We just thought about that because I know
Mm,
there's a diversity. I need to
mm.
accept that diversity.
Correct.
And
Yeah.
you know, you are in the diverse region. Diversity is the beauty of human being. In my
Correct.
opinion, accepting the diversity is a step number one.
Yes.
Understanding they are different. Understanding there are perception, there are biases. Like for you, there are different heroes. For me, there are different heroes. Because
Correct.
of our culture diversity, all those
Focus.
things. No?
Correct.
Like for me, even in Pakistan, I'm very much different. He's my hero. This book is
Mm,
always this book is always on my table. I
mm.
actually took it there because he's my now why he's my hero. There's a entirely different thing, na?
Mm.
How he changed the world, how he was hippie and all those things. So you need to understand how people are doing, and then you need to build a rapport. I am building the
Okay.
rapport. It's very important to understand it. You see, you wore a glasses. If I am wearing a glasses, we get a rapport like this.
Okay.
You are wearing black. I am wearing black. There's a chances to get rapport.
Connected. Yeah.
Yeah, we start getting connections.
Mm.
So there is a technique known as mirroring.
Mm.
Mirroring. Mirror.
Okay.
So you will see some questions that a person is actually copying him. So some people think he's other person can get offended. It's a technique of building rapport, mirroring.
Mm. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So communication is all about communicating your information to other communication. It can be
Mm.
formal, informal, written. So communication
Good.
happens with above, with below, sidewards, all those things. Na?
Got it. Yeah.
Okay, so we plan for communication, we manage communication, we monitor communication. Let's go with this. We have internal stakeholders, we communicate with them. We have external stakeholder. We have vertical or boss, our subordinates. Then we have
Correct.
horizontal or peers to communicate.
Peers. Yeah.
Okay, communication is formal, informal, written, verbal. So please read this. This is important thing.
Correct. Project. Okay. Formal written project charter plan, long distance communication, informal verbal meetings, conversations. Informal written is email and text messages. Formal written is presentation speeches. अच्छा formal में presentation भी आता है speeches.
The
Project charter distance
important thing to
communication.
understand here is that email is considered as informal written. We consider
Informal, yeah.
we consider email as a written, but according to PMI, remember that email is considered as informal. Meeting is
Oh,
considered as informal.
uh-huh.
Important thing to
Okay.
understand it.
Okay, very
Okay.
important. Yeah, this is for me. Okay, this is like,
Yeah, that's why I
all right.
put special emphasis on this.
Okay.
Then I already discussed how to communicate, language barriers, all those things. Na?
Mm,
So communication, 5C, some people say 3 C's, some 7 C's, some 5, but 5 C's are more popular. The communication has to be correct, it has to be concise, not more words. Purpose has to be clear,
clear. Yeah.
it has to be coherent and controlled.
Mm,
So this is important.
okay.
Okay.
Correct.
So you see how you do the communication, you need to check. So this is important. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live. He's also my hero, one of my heroes.
Yeah. Yeah. Even mine.
Right. So there here we have a culture diversity, but we
Correct.
our heroes are same. Now that's a good thing.
Correct. Correct.
I
Yeah.
okay. Plan communication. We plan how we are going to do communication. All those things, na? According to the
Mm,
stakeholders' need. Why I opened this slide because of these few tools and technique. We
mm,
need
mm.
to understand the communication. If you want to read,
Just for my understanding, yeah, the process of developing an appropriate approach and plan the project communication based on stakeholder information needs and requirements. Project communication based on stakeholder and available organization assets. Okay.
right
Project.
information, right information at right time. Right
Okay.
information at right time to right people have right impact. 4R.
Yeah, I saw in one of your videos. I couldn't connect it. Yeah, right people and right. The last one is
Right information at right time to right people to have right impact.
to right impact. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Very good. That's the 4 hours.
4R. So communication requirement analysis, we analyze what are the communication requirement analysis. So there's a formula known as N into N minus 1 by 2.
And as one divided by two.
So
Okay.
very important thing, most of the time the question will say that a project manager has 9 stakeholders. So what are the communication channel?
10. It is
10.
10, including the
10.
project. No? 10. Okay.
10.
10 into 10
10.
minus one. Yeah.
So this was the only complexity that comes in this formula. Otherwise, it's
Question. Yeah.
easy. So in communication technology, which technology you are going to use to communicate? So we are using
Okay.
Zoom since I bought it. This is a
Okay.
technology we both can use. It's a easy to use, all those things.
Correct.
Okay. Then communication
Okay.
model, sender, receiver. There's a
Okay.
sender and there's a
Ah,
receiver.
okay.
S- So I am sending some information, I am putting in my language, encoding.
Mm, mm. I
I am
decoded this.
encoding. Then I am
Mm,
sending the information through medium. You are receiving information, you are decoding.
Decoding, yes.
Okay, then you are sending some feedback, again encoding, decoding, and if there is any interruption in between, that is known as noise.
Good noise, yes.
Okay, then
Yeah.
communication method, push communication. I am sending the information. Pull communication. Whenever you go to the online, to cloud, all those are pull communication. Push
Okay,
is email, messages,
email.
push, push, push. Interactive is
Okay,
that now I have opened the presentation. If you open the presentation, that is pull. If now I have opened the presentation and explaining you, that is interactive communication. So
okay,
dashboard is generally a pull communication, but if someone explains it, then it becomes interactive communication. Then we have expert judgment, interpersonal data representation, that current engagement matrix and desired engagement matrix,
okay,
stakeholder engagement matrix. No?
okay. Now, data representation is for you immediately went back to stakeholder in that. Why?
We used
Because that is communication to do with the stakeholder.
stakeholder engagement matrix. Na? What is their current
Okay.
engagement state? What is the desired engagement state?
Mm. Right.
Then we check at the communication style and culture awareness. We do all those
Okay.
things to understand their culture and communication style. So this we discuss. Okay.
Yes. This is perfect. This
This
I
is
know.
important. Please read this.
Okay. How project communication will be planned, structured, monitored, and controlled? The plan contains the following information: communication system, purpose. The communication plan consists of the following: communication items, purpose, frequency, start and dates, format, medium, and responsibility. Communication types, purpose is objective, uh, frequency is, I think, what they're trying to mention. Medium, no, frequency is there. Medium is what?
Daily, weekly, monthly.
Okay,
The frequency.
okay. That's the frequency. And then medium is, okay, what is the medium going to use? Audience is people are going to attend. Owner and deliverables. What is the agenda? Meeting the requirement agenda. Monitoring minutes. Making minutes. Project status report. Okay.
Whatever you have, na? Okay.
The
So
output of, okay.
yeah, communication is all about developing communication according to the stakeholder requirement. It identifies the most effective approach of communication. Right format, right time, right audience to right impact. Providing only the information that is needed.
Only information that is absolutely needed. Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
we know who needs the information, what information should be stored, who is authorized to share the information, how the information will be retrieved, time zone, all those things will be here.
Mm.
Okay, culture consideration. So as a result, after these tools and technique, you see this is the old pattern, ITTOs.
Okay. Yeah.
Now you don't need that. No?
Okay.
You need to understand them. Communication channel,
Yeah.
availability, model, okay, interactive, push, pull communication. Okay.
Okay.
You see, data representation, stakeholder engagement matrix is there.
Okay.
So culture assessment I discuss is now this basically I wanted to come. Communication manual
Uh,
plan. Please read.
okay. Communication man provides the below information. Okay. How information will be stored, retrieved, maintained, and distributed. Okay. What communication system and process already are there in place? Yeah. How information will be managed after project closure. Okay. Team is involved in creation of the plan. Okay. Helps to set the ground rules for communication. Right. Helps stakeholders in creating and sharing project information. So this is the purpose of communication management plan. Okay.
Okay.
Team is
This
involved.
is also continue.
Continue. Okay. Stakeholder communication requirements. Information to be communicated. What information? Reason for the distribution of that information. Okay. Time frame and frequency. Person responsible for communicating the information. Person responsible authorizing the release of confidential information. Person or groups who will receive the information.
Clear?
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So we get communication plan. Now in the next area, we implement the communication.
Manage the communication. Yeah.
Implement the communication. Please read this.
Process of collecting, distributing, storing retrieving an ultimate disposition of the project information in accordance with communication management plan. So, okay, you told implementing of communication plan is managed communication.
Yes,
Huh?
yes, yes.
Okay, that's an important thing.
So see, here we get work performance report and we are producing project communication. Same tools and technique will be used here, almost. Okay. So let's see what is happening here. Please read this and this.
Managed communication is a process of creating, collecting, distributing, storing, managing communication. Okay. Mm, Distributing, storing, retrieving the ultimate disposition of project information in accordance of the communication management plan. Ensure information being appropriately generated, received, and understood. Stakeholder can request further information, clarification, discussion. The key benefit of this process is that it enables an efficient and effective communication flow between project stakeholders. That's how we are managing.
Yes. So that's basically you manage the communication. It's the process of creating the communication. We collect the information, we distribute it. We store the communication, we retrieve it, and then we dispose of it. It is a key benefit in which effective communication is built among the stakeholders. Okay. Then finally, you monitor the communication. You ensure the plan is being implemented according to in all the monitoring process. We compare what was planned and what is executed. Plan
Okay.
versus executed.
And versus execution.
The process of ensuring the information needs of stakeholders are met or not. That's it. Okay. So we have information management, expert, interpersonal, all those things. We'll get data as an input, information as an output. Okay.
Okay.
So we are monitoring the communication. Let's see if we have something here. Expert judgment. Again, the same tool will be used to see, and that's it. Okay. So that's all about. अच्छा जी, साथ साथ मैं ये 7 days का भी आपके सामने खोलूँ जरा जी। हमने क्या किया, फर्स्ट वी मेड द प्लान कम्युनिकेशन मैनेजमेंट प्लान आया, यूटिलाइज
Okay.
दिस टूल्स एंड टेक्निक, रिक्वायरमेंट देखी, टेक्नोलॉजी, मॉडल्स, मेथड, असेसमेंट, अवेयरनेस, ऑल दोस थिंग. Then we manage the communication. We actively listen the people. We understand emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is an important topic. Understanding the need of other. पहले सबसे पहले
Okay.
know yourself, self awareness.
Okay.
Then manage
Okay.
yourself. Then know others. कि उनकी क्या motivations हैं. What does he feeling? Manage themselves. Actively listening. खामोशी से उनको सुनना. Then managing. As a get आप project team और stakeholder को manage करते हैं. फिर आप monitor information करते हैं through this thing. ठीक है?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's do the questions. Manpower, machinery, material. There are 4 resources: money, manpower, machinery, material. And as a project manager, it's your job
Yeah.
to manage the resource. To get the first thing is to analyze what resources you needed. Secondly, plan for them. Then acquire those resources. Develop them. What do I mean by develop them? Understand that resource. When we talk especially about human resource, they need training. There can be multiple types of trainings. So what training they need, you need to identify those
Okay.
training needs and fulfill those needs. And once that trainings are done, you need to check
Yeah.
whether that trainings have been completed or not.
Okay.
All
Okay.
those things must be verified and checked continuously. Okay.
Okay.
So the first process is basically plan the teams, then manage the team. Very important thing. Whenever a team is formed, you are starting the team.
Correct.
The first step is basically to get a team charter. What is team charter? It's a document that team writes together.
Okay.
Okay, that
Yeah.
you can write
Written by
it
the team,
yourself.
yes.
You can write it yourself, or team can write it. Generally, team write it, and then in the team charter, you have ground rules. What are the rules we are going to follow?
Okay.
What are the rules we are going to adhere to? All those
Okay.
things will be in the ground rules. How do you
Okay.
take a decision? What are the conflicts? All those things will be in the ground rules. So let me try to explain it through Tuckman ladder,
Okay.
or also known as stages of team.
Okay.
You know stages of Tuckman ladder?
Yeah, I know. No, this
Tell
is
me.
forming, norming, uh, storming, then performance, and then they move out to other projects.
Good. So
Adjourning. That's called adjourning. The
yeah,
last one.
that is Tuckman ladder. Here we have productivity. Here we have team. That is Tuckman ladder that actually describes the complete journey of the team, or it describes the complete way how you get resource. The first step is forming. Okay, here
Yeah.
you are planning what type of resource you are going to get. All the resource that you are going to get. Maybe you have some resource that have worked in the past, so you give them pre-assignment. You identify team assignment here. Okay, team
Mm.
assignments here. You identified you need a virtual team, or you need a team that is with you. So if the team is with you, you try to have a co-located team. Co-located team. Okay,
Correct.
you identified. Sorry.
Nothing. I didn't say anything.
Okay, you try to have a co-located team. When we say co-located team, generally it is between 33 feet, that is 10 meter. We
33.
try so that we can have
10 meters square.
osmotic communication. So that we can have
Osmotic
osmotic
communication.
communication. So we have co-located team in which we
Communication.
can try to have osmotic communication with them so that they can understand each other. Then we make a team charter
Okay.
here. Team charter has ground rules, how you are going to allow, how you are going to follow culture diversity, all those things are there. Okay, then here the role of a project manager is of more of a directive. He is giving directions to the team: do this, do that, do this, do that. Everyone is coming here, they are
Mm.
strangers to each other, so everyone try to give
Okay.
the best of themselves, okay, in the forming stage. Then slowly, as time passes, the team suddenly goes start having conflict with each other. Start having conflict with each other. As a project manager, your role is first to identify the level of the conflict. What is the level of the conflict? And you manage the conflict according to its level. For example, we can
Uh,
have a problem to be solved, or we can have a slight
Disagreement.
disagreement. Okay,
Mm. Mm.
so we have a
Yes.
problem to be solved. The problem, these are levels of conflict now, problem to solve, and step by step all
Five.
this we go to that level
Five
of
levels.
conflict where we try to solve and then we can have war between the team is
Yeah.
not understanding each other. We are trying that the team listens to us. So we, as a project manager, your job is first to identify the conflict, the level of the conflict, and then manage the conflict according to that level. So where which at which
Uh,
level we are basically.
uh, uh.
जब हम
Got it.
स्टॉर्मिंग में होते
Yeah.
हैं ना, जब हम स्टॉर्मिंग में हम डायरेक्टली कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रिजॉल्व पे नहीं चले जाते, पहले हम आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं भाई
Uh-huh.
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट का लेवल क्या है.
Level कितना है? Okay.
Okay, then
Okay.
we solve the conflict
Mm.
according to that level. After identifying the level, then we solve the conflict. Okay,
Okay.
make sense.
Okay. जी. Yeah. Yes. Very much.
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट जब आप कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रिजॉल्व करो तो देयर आर मैनी थिंग्स दैट यू नीड टू टेक इनटू कंसिडरेशन, कि भाई आपने
Mm.
हमेशा कोशिश करनी है टू गेट अ विन विन सिचुएशन, टू गेट अ
Correct. Win-win situation.
ओके. सो अगर
That
मैं
is work
कॉन्फ्लिक्ट
in
लेवल की,
collaboration.
हाँ अगर मैं कॉन्फ्लिक्ट लेवल की बात करता हूँ ना, तो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट लेवल कुछ इस तरह होता है.
Five. Five levels, right? I mean,
यस, आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू शो
five
यू.
levels.
यस,
Yeah.
कैन यू सी द स्क्रीन.
I think level one is this. Ah, okay. Yes. It's
Level 1 is more of a problem to be solved. Level 2 is a
solved.
disagreement.
Yes.
Level 3 is a contest.
Okay.
Level 4 crusade. Level 5 world war. ओके.
Okay. Okay.
लेवल 1 में क्या होता है, प्रॉब्लम टू सॉल्व होता है, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या होती है, इंफॉर्मेशन है, ओपन एंड
Mm.
फैक्ट बेस होती है, लोगों के डिफरेंट ओपिनियंस है,
Ah,
मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है, कॉन्फ्लिक्टिंग गोल्स हैं, बट यू आर ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है. देन एज यू मूव अब, तो आप देखते हैं कहाँ तक आपका प्रॉब्लम पहुंच गया. ठीक है. सो एज अ
mm,
प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि कॉन्फ्लिक्ट का लेवल क्या है, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट यू सॉल्व द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. एंड वेन एवर यू आर
mm,
डायग्नोजिंग द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, you need to understand that you need to
mm.
get a win-win situation, that is
Mm.
problem solving or collaboration. Okay, if
Okay.
you cannot get that,
No problem.
then smoothing might works for you. Smoothing is a temporary
Okay.
situation in which you agree on the point of agreements, in which you work on the points of agreements कि जो अच्छा जो हमारे एग्रीमेंट्स उन पे बात करते हैं. देन वी हैव फोर्सिंग कि किसी एक बंदे की बात मान लेना, और अकोमोडेटिंग. इन फोर्सिंग और अकोमोडेटिंग बेसिकली वी आर वर्किंग कि हम एक कर रहे होते हैं, किसी एक साइड की बात मान लेते हैं. देन
Mm.
वी ऑल्सो हैव कॉम्प्रोमाइज. दोनों लोग अपने
Compromising.
पोजीशन से पीछे हटते हैं थोड़ा सा. दे गेट
Compromise lose, no?
compromise a little loose, but it is better than the avoid or withdrawal.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
so we have these conflict here in storming stage. The role of a project manager is more of a coach. He is listening to the
Okay.
team. He is listening to the team कि कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्या है, कैसे रिजॉल्व कर सकते हैं. टीम की प्रोडक्टिविटी बड़ी कम हुई होती है. इफ इट डन वेल,
Oh,
then you go to the norming stage where
oh,
project manager is supporting them, team starting
okay.
working better, and then we
Okay.
finally reach to performing stage.
Mm.
We finally reach to performing stage where team is performing. Here, the role of the
Mm.
project manager is to delegate the task, let the team work themselves. फाइनली वी हैव एडजर्निंग स्टेज, जहाँ टीम चली जाती है अपने अपने एरियाज में, हर कोई अपना अपना काम करता है. ठीक है.
So,
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दिस रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो आई विल गो विद द बिग नोट्स टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग.
okay.
मैन पावर, मशीनरी, मटेरियल, मनी. मैन पावर,
Money. Okay.
मशीनरी, मटेरियल, मनी, 4 रिसोर्सेज होते हैं. वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ द टीम, कि टीम की डाइवर्सिटी क्या है. वी डिस्कस दिस.
Mm.
टीम वर्चुअल है या फिजिकल है, कौन सी इंडस्ट्री से है, हाउ टू मैनेज द टीम.
Mm.
लाइफ साइकिल क्या है, प्रोडक्टिव है क्या जाइल है, जल्दी चले जाएंगे कब जाएंगे. स्टेक होल्डर, ऑफ कोर्स वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द स्टेक होल्डर्स. देन वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस. मैंने पहले बताया इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस, सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट, social awareness. Okay, emotional intelligence is becoming more and more important in upcoming days. The first thing is self regulations. Self awareness होगी तो self regulation करेंगे. Then social skills, understanding why people work, motivation, empathy. Motivation में वो भी आ जाता है जो हर्ट्सबर्ग थ्योरी ऑफ 2 points है.
Mm.
What are hygiene factor? हर्ट्सबर्ग थ्योरी ऑफ 2 points, कि क्या चीज़ें हैं, लोग किन चीज़ों से मोटिवेट होते हैं और किन चीज़. फॉर एग्जांपल, आपकी जो सैलरी है, आपके जो लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड्स हैं, दे आर द थिंग्स दे आर नोन एज हाइजीन फैक्टर. दे मस्ट बी प्रेजेंट देयर. इफ दे आर नॉट प्रेजेंट देयर, यू गेट डीमोटिवेटेड. बट जितना मर्जी आप सैलरी इंक्रीज कर दें, you don't get motivated. In order to get motivated, you need to get opportunity, all those things. फिर empathy, to understand the people, understand people. ठीक है. So we have
Mhm.
emotions, we have self awareness, we then do self management, then our performance increases. Social awareness, relationship and people management. This is clear. I hope कि इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस में कोई क्वेश्चन है पापा गलत ना हो. ठीक है.
No.
अच्छा,
Okay.
then we discuss Tuckman ladder.
Mm.
Okay, then we discuss conflict management. Okay, then there is a concept of a servant leader. Servant leader is a person जो कि आवाम को सबसे आगे रखता है, कस्टमर को, एम्प्लॉय को वो सबसे ऊपर
Mm.
रखता है. ठीक है. सीक
Mm.
लीडरशिप एज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू सर्व अदर्स. शेयर
Mm.
power and control the drive engagement. measure the success through growth and development. listen, understands. ये सारे काम करता है. ठीक है.
Mm.
क्लियर.
Clear, clear. Okay, so one little is clear. Yes. I have been reading that. Yes.
ओके. अंडरस्टैंडिंग डाइवर्सिटी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कल्चर एंड डाइवर्सिटी उनकी क्या है,
Uh,
कल्चर क्या होता है, देखे ना.
uh,
दिस इज अ वेरी गुड एग्जांपल ऑफ
yeah.
कल्चर डाइवर्सिटी. ठीक है. दिस इज अ वेरी
Yes.
गुड एग्जांपल ऑफ
This
कल्चर.
happened with me in my office. Even yeah, this happened in my office with me. We
दिस
had one lady. She's an Emirati. Emirati. She's told we don't shake hands with men. So
Muslims,
then I
Muslims
had
as a
to.
general, Muslims as a general don't shake hands. Women, male and, but
Yeah,
that's a
that's what.
general rule. That's a general rule. If my wife, I think she will have no issue with shaking hand. So It
No,
depends
that's what
on.
many people. No, in my colleague office, there are many people who has no problem. But she was an Emirati. She's from. She's a local Emirati, so she's got some extra.
No,
Otherwise, हमारा Indians में तो ऐसा
it's
कुछ है
all
नहीं यार.
about
I don't
your
think.
culture diversity, all those things. My wife, she's a software engineer. She will shake your hand. My uh, two
Mm,
sister-in-laws, they are doctors. One is both are gynecologists. They will not shake your hand.
mm,
It depends
mm.
how you brought up.
Ah,
All
okay, mindset.
understanding the culture
Got it.
diversity. It's not always the religion. So
Correct.
all those cultural diversity is very important. It's understanding that they exist and managing them. Okay.
Correct.
Then taking the decision according to the culture. Then these some tools and technique. Are you familiar with them? Dot
या
voting.
डॉट वोटिंग मुझे नहीं पता है. फाइव फिंगर्स पता है. फिस्ट ऑफ फाइव जो है, जो मतलब व्हेन यू हैव क्लोज ऑल द फिंगर्स मींस you are okay to go. Five fingers means I've got 5 points with me, which
Fist.
I am not
I
agreeing.
don't agree. I don't agree. I agree little bit. I agree more.
Yeah,
I agree 100%. Then we have
yeah.
a also known as this closed agree, disagree, agree, neutral, disagree. Dot voting क्या है?
That
हम
is
dots
that is
लगाते
called
हैं
dot
and then we
voting, right?
then we count the dots. We count the dots. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
For example, we have three
Dot.
dots.
Just now, what you showed was dot voting, right? This, and this.
No, no,
That
no,
is
no.
what dot voting.
That is just
No,
voting. That is just voting.
voting.
Dot voting
Okay.
is we have red dot, we have green dot, we have yellow dot. तो कोई भी बात पे
Mm-hmm.
करना है हम उस पे डॉट लगा देते हैं. Then we count the dot. कितने लोग किस पे एग्री हैं. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have a decision tree. I think you are familiar with that quantitative analysis. We calculate expected monetary value and we get whichever the expected monetary value is more, we go with that. This is dot voting.
Mm-hmm.
Dot
Okay.
voting. Okay.
Dot democracy. Okay.
Then we have another
Yes.
voting technique where we have majority. Majority is like, let's say we have three options A, B, C, and there are 10 people. If everyone agreed, that is unanimous decision.
Correct.
If 5% agree on one thing, three on one, we have majority with us.
Correct.
Greater than 50%, so we have majority. If let's
Correct.
say the same scenario, we have 4, 4, 3. We don't have majority. So we have
Okay.
plurality. Okay?
Plurality. Okay.
Yeah. So ये एक और टूल आता है डिसीजन स्पेक्ट्रम. ये फिस्ट ऑफ फाइव जो आप बात कर रहे थे.
हाँ.
दिस इज
एक मिनट
थम्स अप,
सर.
थम्स डाउन.
Yeah. Can you previous slide थोड़ा इसके पहले. Fist no vote. We to block the consensus. Okay, it is no. One is agreeing. Two is moderate. Yeah, would like to discuss with minor issues. Third is not at all, not in total agreement, but can live with it with supportive ideas. This explanation मुझे नहीं पता था. Four fingers is good idea. Direction we work for it. It's a great idea. Okay, fine. So three is in between. Three is comfortable with proposal like would like to discuss minor issues. Still need to discuss certain issues. Okay, that is one. Yeah.
ओके. देन वी डिसाइड वी हैव वोटिंग डॉट रैंकिंग. एक और मॉडल होता है शू हा राई. शू हा राई. शू बेसिकली दिस इज अ लर्निंग मॉडल. जब टीम को ट्रेनिंग कर रहे होते हैं तो वी हैव अ शू हा राई मॉडल. जब आप शू होते हैं दैट इज अ वेरी बिगनर लेवल. यू आर फॉलोइंग द रूल्स. यू फॉलो 100% रूल्स. हा पे यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग अवे फ्रॉम द रूल्स. राई यू डोंट फॉलो द रूल्स. You just
Okay.
need to remember Shu Ha Rai. Shu is level
Okay.
1, Shu Ha is level
Zero.
2, Rai is level 3.
Okay. Right. Okay. Three. Okay. Just be the rule. Okay.
Shu Ha Rai. Then brainstorming, we know what is brainstorming. Ideas are generated in brainstorming. Okay. We know what is focus group. Okay.
What is focus group?
फोकस ग्रुप में जो है ना 8 से 12 लोग आते हैं, इकट्ठे होते हैं. दे डिस्कस देयर आइडियाज. इट इज लेड बाय अ फैसिलिटेटर. ठीक है. It is led by a facilitator. Then we do facilitation. I am doing facilitation.
What's the
This is,
facilitator? Okay. That's the idea. Okay.
yeah, this is mind mapping. Then this is mind mapping. Then this is not in the okay. Leadership क्या होती है? Okay, facilitation, negotiation. We discuss negotiation. Negotiation should always focus on win-win agreement. Networking क्या है? That is networking. That is not networking. Observation करना. ये चारों clear हैं आपको?
Observation, questionnaires, interviews, focus group discussions. Okay, interviews is okay. Questionnaires. ये questionnaires क्या होते हैं सर?
सर आप किसी रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं तो आपको वो फॉर्म फिल करने के नहीं कहते, हाउ मच यू आर सेटिस्फाइड,
Okay,
एंड
okay, okay.
क्वेश्चनियर्स।
That's feedback forms. Feedback forms, you meant to say.
ये
Okay.
रेसी मैट्रिक्स क्लियर है,
ये
रिस्पॉन्सिबल
clear है हमारा.
अकाउंटेबल।
I'm using this in the office.
रेसी भी होता है, रैम होता है, देन वी डू टीम बिल्डिंग एक्टिविटी टू बिल्ड द टीम, टू सी हाउ द टीम इज देयर, so we get resource
Uh-huh.
management plan that I'll come to it later. Okay,
Okay.
then we have team charter, we establish ground rules, so we have ground rules, क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना, how to listen to each others. Okay, सो वी वर्क विद अ वर्चुअल टीम। वर्चुअल टीम क्या होती है, आजकल सबको पता है वर्चुअल टीम क्या होता है। टीम challenges very important, technology to understand, time zone, the structure of the team. Okay, how to basically define the problem, clarify. Now then information radiator clear है?
Information radiator is something
Burn
that
up
is
chart,
used
burn
in
down chart, task board, you put the
the flow diagram.
information, yes, जिस तरह signals होते हैं, you can see the information and can understand. Communication
Yeah.
co-location में होता है ये information, they burn up, burn
What
down,
is the
release charge.
information refrigerator?
Sorry,
Refrigerator है कुछ
वो
radiator है refrigerator.
वो just
Opposite.
to show the comparison है कि रेफ्रिजरेटर क्या होता है कि information छुपा लिया आपने।
अच्छा हाँ. Okay. Okay.
Then we
Proceed.
have Kanban board, burn down chart, burn up, information radiators हैं ये सारे। Then team charter is clear?
Team charter is clear. Yes. Who's involved? Who will do what? Yes.
Okay, resource में ये topics हैं, plan, estimate, acquire, develop team, manage, control team. ठीक है? In plan resource management, what do? You plan for the resource. Okay, you plan for all the resource which you are going to use. You use hierarchical charts. Hierarchical charts आपको पता है ना, जैसे WBS का चार्ट हो गया या जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का चार्ट होता है। Then responsibility assignment matrix, that RAM and RASI, that is clear.
Yes, this is clear. Yes.
Then we have text oriented format जो text में लिखी होती है। Organizational theory, Maslow is clear.
Maslow is clear. Yes. Needs and what is that last में क्या है उसमें? Self awareness or self actualization something.
Yes. Then theory X and theory Y.
Theory X, theory Y नहीं पता सर, मुझे इतना पता है कि theory X में they are very strict with the workers, like for example some people need strict monitoring, and theory Y क्या होती है नहीं पता है.
Theory Y says that people love to work, let them work. They don't need monitoring.
Okay. Like,
Then
okay, X is opposite of Y.
Then we have
Okay.
expectance theory. We have expectance theory. देखिए सर, expectance theory ये है कि we behave the way we expect. ठीक है, अगर हम expect करेंगे कि हमें कुछ अच्छा मिल सकता है तो हम उसके accordingly करेंगे. If we expect कि हमें अच्छा नहीं मिलेगा, हम उसके accordingly करेंगे. So that is expectance theory.
Okay, we behave the way we expect. Okay.
Then Herzberg theory of motivation, that is clear.
Herzberg अभी हम लोगों ने बताया था ना कि hygiene factor जिसमें आता है वही वाला है.
जी वही वाला.
Okay.
As a result, we get resource management plan जो बताएगा कौन कैसे resource आने, क्या होगा, team charter, documents update. This slide is clear?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Expectant. Okay. Output resource management, team charter, project document updates. I see. Okay. RAM is primitive than RASI, na? RAM is little bit primitive. Like it's like one उसमें portion नहीं है.
Yeah. लेकिन आप समझिए RAM father है, RAM father है, RASI बेटा है.
मतलब RASI बड़ा हो गया ना, मतलब RASI is having more information.
लेकिन निकला RAM से है RASI.
अच्छा, okay, subset of RAM.
Yes, this is RAM, this is RASI. Text oriented format. Maslow clear?
Maslow is थोड़ा देखने दो सर, इसमें psychological safety, love, belonging, esteem, self realization. Okay, ये तो मैंने पढ़ भी लिया था एक बार. It's okay. This I can read and understand, not a problem.
जी क्लियर है सर, चले आगे.
It's okay. It's clear, yeah.
Then this is Herzberg theory of motivation. We have hygiene
Hmm.
agent and we have motivating agents. Hygiene agent,
Okay.
like they must be present. If it is not present, people will get demotivated. But jitna marzi increase kar de, people will never get motivated for it. People will get motivated from there. Opportunity, responsibility, appreciation, recognition, education, they will get motivated from here.
Okay. Okay.
Then theory
Okay.
X,
Recognition.
theory Y. Okay.
Okay. Theory works. Managers assume that employees, 1 minute, sir. Lazy and hate work. Employees seeks to enjoy physical work, physical and mental work. Okay, ji.
Then we have expectance theory.
हम्म। एक क्वेश्चन पूछना था, ये जितने थियरीज एंड जो जो फॉर्मूलाज वगैरह है, इसका जो ओरिजिनेटर का नाम भी पूछ रहे हो लोग, लाइक किसने इन्वेंट किया?
Very less chances, very less
वन
chances.
क्वेश्चन में भी, वन क्वेश्चन।
Very, हाँ सर, क्वेश्चन सिचुएशनल आते हैं ज्यादा ना आपके.
अच्छा, ओके, ओके, दे विल नॉट गेट इनटू ऑल दिस ना, किसने इसको इन्वेंट किया वैसे, ओके, देन इट्स ओके.
Expectance theory, then we get finally resource management plan. Please read this.
Resource management plan, part of the project management plan, provides guidance how project resources should be categorized, allocated, managed, and released. Should categorize, allocated, manage, and release. Okay. Fine. Fine. How it is? सारे plans again, you know, I'm just, मैं आपको again repeat question पूछ रहा हूँ. Plan का मतलब this is only procedure. It's only a principle, or it is like
how to do something. How to do something.
It's only a basically a, like a, अभी आप बोलोगे अब experiment कैसे करोगे, तो there are procedure, you know, 1 2 3 4 करना है आपको, results आपको ये आने हैं. And basically when you're getting into executing, you're doing what is told in the plan, and controlling would be like, but if you look at the sorry, I'm just jumping, I'm sorry for this. ये जो वैलिडेट स्कोप और कंट्रोल स्कोप है, उसमें फिजिकली आप वर्क मॉनिटरिंग एंड कंट्रोलिंग में करते हो ना, एग्जीक्यूशन में करते हो कि मॉनिटरिंग एंड कंट्रोलिंग में करते हो?
मॉनिटरिंग एंड कंट्रोल में करते हैं सर.
सारा काम उसमें होता है. लाइक अगर आपको
काम
कोई
एक्जीक्यूशन
एक्सपेरिमेंट
में हो रहा है. देखिए सर, आपका काम एग्जीक्यूशन में हुआ है, आपने डिलीवरेबल्स बनाए हैं, फिर आपने वहां चेक करना है.
मतलब एग्जांपल जस्ट यू नो, आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग वन क्वेश्चन. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल मुझे एक बाइक बनानी थी. ओके, बाइक बन गया. बाइक स्टार्ट कब होता है? एग्जीक्यूशन में स्टार्ट होता है कि मॉनिटरिंग में स्टार्ट होता है?
सर बाइक
अगर उसको किक करके स्टार्ट करके उसको चेक करना है,
बाइक
एक्सीलरेटर
बना
वगैरह.
रहे हैं, मैं बताता हूँ. बाइक बना रहे हैं, उसका प्लान बना प्लानिंग में, बाइक पूरी
हाँ.
बनानी है एग्जीक्यूशन में. मीनवाइल एग्जीक्यूशन में मैनेज क्वालिटी वाले यार इंश्योर कर रहे हैं कि क्वालिटी की बाइक बनी है कि नहीं बनी. जब बाइक
हाँ.
बन गया, उसके बाद जाती है बाइक कंट्रोल क्वालिटी के पास. कंट्रोल चेक करता है कि क्वालिटी स्टैंडर्ड्स के अकॉर्डिंगली बना है कि नहीं बना. उसके बाद
उसका टेस्टिंग वगैरह यहाँ पे होता है, मतलब उसका चालू करके एक्सेलरेशन, उसका जो इंजन का साउंड,
जी,
all that is done in monitoring control. लेकिन
all does.
execution में only you are telling no, but if you look at like 1 minute, then I'm getting a confusion here. अभी let me take my project. मेरा प्रोजेक्ट में क्या है, एग्जीक्यूशन मतलब पैनल बनना चालू हो गया रहता है, फैक्ट्री में पैनल बनना चालू होता है, तब हमारा एग्जीक्यूशन होता है. लाइक आप समझ रहे हो ना, वी हैव अ प्लानिंग, वी डू द प्लानिंग कि इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग बनता है, उसका बन के हम लोग जैसे ड्राइंग रिलीज के लिए दे देते हो फैक्ट्री में प्रोडक्शन के लिए, तब जाके वहां पे एग्जीक्यूशन होता है. टेस्टिंग कब होता है? व्हेन द इंस्पेक्टर कम्स, जब हमारा जो कस्टमर का एफएटी के लिए जब आता है, व्हेन वी आल्सो गो टू द फैक्ट्री एंड वी आस्क फैक्ट्री पीपल, अच्छा भाई दिखाओ अपने, आर मैचिंग में ड्राइंग्स, आर यू, सो ऑलरेडी उन्होंने ये चालू करके इन द एग्जीक्यूशन ओनली दे वुड हैव डन वन टेस्टिंग आल्सो. वो लोग ने अपना जो करना होता है ना, वो करके वो लोग रेडी रखा होता है कस्टमर को आने के लिए, एंड देन दे डू दी, and even in the customer does a monitoring and control process में they go and check, you know, whether okay is it matching the requirement, इसमें कोई डिफेक्ट्स है तो लोग डिफेक्ट्स बना के उनको देंगे प्रोडक्शन वाले को. प्रोडक्शन वाले अगेन विल यू नो गो बैक into the documents, and if it is matching and if they miss something they will do it free of cost. नहीं तो वो लोग बोले सर सॉरी, मैंने हमारा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में नहीं है ये, आपको एस्केलेशन प्राइस देना है. then there will be dispute disagreement and then we agree and then we ask them to do the work again, redo the work again. ये हमारा होता है सर. तो आई एम बिट कंफ्यूज्ड एग्जीक्यूशन में और मॉनिटरिंग में दोनों में इट इज देयर आर सम थिंग्स ओवरलैपिंग, और एम आई कंफ्यूज माई सेल्फ, और मैं आपको पूछना चाहता हूँ।
देखिए सर, जो आपकी गाड़ी बन गई, जो आपने वो बना लिए पैनल्स, वो आपके एग्जीक्यूशन में हो गए, वो एग्जीक्यूशन में हो गया। जब आप जाते हैं खुद एफएटी के लिए, पहले जब आप खुद चेक करते हैं, दैट इज मॉनिटरिंग एंड कंट्रोल क्वालिटी।
Okay, that also, okay,
दैट्स,
there's an overlap between both though, na?
हाँ, देयर इज ओवरलैप, देयर इज ओवरलैप,
Okay,
देयर इज
okay, okay,
ओवरलैप,
that's what.
देयर इज
Exactly,
ओवरलैप
okay.
बिटवीन
Boundary,
मॉनिटरिंग,
okay,
लेट मी
fine.
पुट इट दिस वे। देखिए,
तो एग्जीक्यूट एक सॉरी सर, ये होता भी है, एंड आई एम श्योर दिस होता भी है, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन, बट स्टिल जस्ट टू आस्क अ क्वेश्चन मे बी आई एम आस्किंग, क्योंकि एग्जीक्यूशन में भी हम क्वालिटी वाले को बुला के बता सकते हैं, बॉस ये अभी इतना हो गया, अब इतना चेक कर लो,
एग्जीक्यूशन में क्वालिटी वाले
बाद में
आते हैं,
लास्ट में।
एग्जीक्यूशन
हाँ,
में क्वालिटी वाले आते हैं, दैट इज देन
हाँ,
मैनेजिंग क्वालिटी। जब आप प्रोसेस को इम्प्रूव कर रहे हैं ना, आप प्रोसेस को इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, दैट इज मैनेजिंग क्वालिटी।
अच्छा, ओके, देयर इज वन गाय सिटिंग हियर, यस यस यस, एग्जीक्यूशन में मैनेज क्वालिटी वाले आते हैं, यस, 8.2।
यस, दैट इज मैनेज क्वालिटी।
अच्छा, they also come inside execution and jump
यस,
and see what is happening.
दैट इज मैनेज क्वालिटी। ठीक है सर। अच्छा, गिव मी अ मिनट
Okay.
प्लीज, 1 मिनट प्लीज, आई एम कमिंग। इनिशिएशन ग्रुप है,
हाँ, हाँ,
इनिशिएशन है,
हाँ,
इनिशिएशन हो रही है।
हाँ,
अभी डिसीजन थोड़ी होती है, साथ ही प्लानिंग होती है। प्लानिंग
हाँ,
मुकम्मल नहीं होती, एग्जीक्यूशन स्टार्ट कर देते हैं। मॉनिटरिंग एंड
हाँ।
कंट्रोल स्टार्ट से एंड तक चलता है, इवन क्लोजिंग के
हाँ,
अंदर भी मॉनिटरिंग एंड कंट्रोल आता है।
अच्छा, ओके, इट्स ऑल ओवरलैप्ड, ओके, ओके, वेरी गुड, यस।
ठीक है। अगर मैं इसको दूसरी तरफ भी कह दूं ना, एग्जीक्यूशन,
हाँ,
इनिशिएशन, प्लानिंग, एग्जीक्यूशन, क्लोजिंग, मॉनिटरिंग एंड कंट्रोल यहाँ से ऐसे चल रहा होता है। ओके,
ओके जी, ओके,
नाउ द इशू इज क्लियर।
यस, इट्स मोर क्लियर, यस।
ओके, व्हाट वाज द टॉपिक जो हमने खोला हुआ था?
रिसोर्स।
अच्छा जी, अब हम लोग जो है रिसोर्स को देख रहे हैं, उनका हमने चार्टर बनाया, टीम चार्टर बनाया, सारा कुछ हमने रिसोर्स का बनाया, हाउ द रिसोर्स इज, ऑल दोज थिंग्स। अगर आप बिल्कुल न्यू होते तो मैं आपको ये स्लाइड पढ़ा रहा होता, लेकिन
नहीं,
नाउ
इज
नाउ
ओके,
डज नॉट मेक सेंस,
इट डजंट मेक सेंस, या।
क्योंकि द गोल इज टू गेट द एग्जाम क्लियर, नॉट टू गो थ्रू दिस। तो मैं आपको हाई लेवल करवा रहा हूँ। ओके, तो हमने ये पढ़ लिया था, ये देख लिया था, दिस वाज डन।
या, वी हैड बीन हियर ओनली, या।
सो वी मेक अ रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट प्लान। देन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट प्लान में होता क्या है, सब लोगों की रोल्स क्या है, रोल्स क्या
हाँ,
होंगे, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज क्या होंगी, व्हाट इज द कॉम्पिटेंसी लेवल। अब कॉम्पिटेंसी लेवल से हम लोगों को ट्रेनिंग टीएनए निकलेगा, ट्रेनिंग नीड असेसमेंट, किसको क्या क्या ट्रेनिंग चाहिए। देन किसकी अथॉरिटी है, क्या अथॉरिटी है, स्टाफ कैसे आएगा, रिसोर्स कैलेंडर क्या है, रिसोर्स हिस्टोग्राम कैसे बनेगा। देखिए, रिसोर्स कैलेंडर बताता है वर्किंग डेज एंड शिफ्ट्स, ठीक है।
एंड
रिसोर्स
हॉलीडेज आल्सो, राइट?
हॉलीडेज ऑल्सो। रिसोर्स हिस्टोग्राम
या।
बताता है कि कब कोई बंदा किस वक्त अवेलेबल होगा, किस टाइम पे अवेलेबल होगा, ठीक है जी। ट्रेनिंग करते हैं आप, लोगों की ट्रेनिंग नीड्स देखते हैं। आपका रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट प्लान ये भी बताता है रिलीज कब करना है, ट्रेनिंग्स क्या है, रिकॉग्निशन, रिवॉर्ड्स क्या होंगे, कंप्लायंस, सेफ्टी, ऑल दोस। देन यू मेक ग्राउंड रूल्स, virtual teams, we discussed it, information radiators we discussed, team charter, you already know team charter, it has team
या,
values, guidance, communication, very important document, very important document,
ओके,
decision making,
ओके,
all these things। क्योंकि सर हमारा 42% पीपल है, 42% पीपल है पीएमपी में, और पीपल इज ऑल अबाउट दिस थिंग, टीम चार्टर,
स्टेक होल्डर, यस।
ठीक है। अच्छा जी, फिर आप एस्टिमेट करते हैं अपनी टीम को कि आपने जो रिसोर्स लेकर आने हैं, अब आप रिसोर्स ला रहे हैं ना, तो उनका जो लेकर आना है, यू शुड डू बॉटम अप एस्टिमेशन। यू आर क्लियर विद दीज टूल्स एंड टेक्निक, एनालॉगस,
Yeah, bottom up, this and all, no worries, sir. Is bottom up, catalogers, parametric, all this I know. Export judgment, data analysis, alternative and project management.
रिसोर्स एस्टिमेट्स, ठीक है। मैन पावर मटेरियल का एस्टिमेट आ जाता है, देन यू
Sir,
कम।
एक प्रीवियस स्लाइड जाइए, उसमें एक थोड़ा डाउट आ रहा है, ये जो प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम ये क्या है? दिस इज इवन आई सॉ इन द फर्स्ट स्लाइड जब हम
we
लोग
discussed
PMI.
WhatsApp, Microsoft Project, everything that you use
Okay,
for communication.
so any software tool.
Everything is included in it. Change management
Okay,
plan, configuration management plan, everything is included in it. Okay?
okay.
Then you get resource requirement, basis of requirement, resource breakdown structure, all those things comes
हाँ,
there.
ये मुझे पता है सर, ये रिसोर्स ब्रेकडाउन स्ट्रक्चर क्यों है? व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाई इज इट गेटिंग अपडेटेड?
सर देखिए, आपके ये 4 टाइप के रिसोर्स हैं: मैन पावर, मशीनरी, मटेरियल, मनी। तो अगर मैन पावर की बात करें, आपके टेक्निकल रिसोर्स होंगे, प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट रिसोर्स होंगे, वो सारे रिसोर्स, आपने पूरा रिसोर्स का चार्ट बना होता है ना, तो यू सी कौन सा रिसोर्स आया है, कौन सा नहीं है, कौन सा अवेलेबल है, कौन सा नहीं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू नीड अ क्रेन ऑफ 200 टन, बट वो क्रेन ही अवेलेबल नहीं है पूरे यूएई में। फिर फिर आप क्या करेंगे? यू नीड टू अपडेट द रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट प्लान्स। ठीक है,
So is it something to do with the WBS? Is it same like that only, work
इट
breakdown
हैज अ
structure
लिंक
वाला है?
विद दैट। उसके अंदर वर्क होता है, ये बताता है उस वर्क में क्या चीज आ रही है।
अच्छा, these both are interrelated.
इंटरलेटेड।
Okay, okay.
ओके, देन
Why
वी
why why is this term estimate activity resources? मतलब estimate activity resources
these
मतलब
are estimation techniques ना, these are estimation technique। so we are estimating कौन सा रिसोर्स कब कितने टाइम के लिए चाहिए, क्या क्या काम करेगा। we are estimating each and everything
okay,
about
can I
that।
just to add one verb in between, estimate duration of activity resources? Can I put it like that to make it easily readable?
whatever works for you। आप पीएमपी को जीएमपी कर दे, एलएमपी कर दे, आई डोंट केयर, जस्ट क्लियर इट।
Okay, okay. Estimate duration of activity resources in this. Okay, that is coming in the planning. How much of time you want to keep them, or how? Or it's not. It's only not duration, right? It is also availability, also, right?
yeah
It is also about uh, like, data analysis, estimating also. So, estimate activity resources. ये थोड़ा और एक ऐसा estimate activity duration भी एक है कहीं पे. Estimate activity duration.
that is in schedule na, duration is
That
all
is in
about
schedule.
schedule।
Okay. That is again, these two are linked. These two are linked. Estimation, activation, duration है
एस्टिमेशन
estimated.
एक्टिविटी कॉस्ट भी है सर, तीनों इंटरलिंक्ड है।
अच्छा.
देखिए सर, एक वर्क पैकेज है,
Estimate.
लेट्स से, मेरी बात सुने सर, ये एक वर्क पैकेज है। यू नीड टू एस्टिमेट
हाँ,
दैट ड्यूरेशन, यू नीड टू एस्टिमेट व्हाट आर
हाँ,
द रिसोर्स रिक्वायर्ड टू कंप्लीट दैट थिंग, कितना टाइम लगेगा, कौन करेगा, और पैसे कितने लगेंगे।
हाँ, हाँ. Okay, cost. Okay. Now I got it. Now I got it. Okay, it's a work package which needs all the three guys. Okay, to move it. Okay, very good. Cost and then duration. That is time, right? That is schedule. Okay. Boss. Okay.
नाउ वी आर गेटिंग द रिसोर्स एज वी डिस्कस बिफोर।
Collecting.
कुछ रिसोर्स होते हैं जो
Yeah.
पहले सिलेक्ट किए होते हैं, कुछ हम वर्चुअल टीम करेंगे तो हम उनको फिजिकल रिसोर्स असाइनमेंट मिल जाती हैं, कुछ टीम की असाइनमेंट होती है, वी गेट अ रिसोर्स कैलेंडर, ऑल दोस थिंग ना।
Okay.
देन
Okay.
हम देखते हैं क्या क्या रिसोर्सेज हैं, वी डिस्कस ऑल दिस थिंग्स। अब हम टीम को डेवलप कर रहे हैं, वी नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई देयर ट्रेनिंग नीड, we need to give individual and team assessment awards. So this is very important while you are giving awards to someone, while you are, सबसे important culture diversity आती है अवार्ड में। देखिए सर, लेट्स से मैं आपको गिफ्ट में काउ मीट दे दूं, यू विल गेट ऑफेंडेड।
Correct.
और आप मुझे गिफ्ट में
Yeah.
पिग का मीट दे दें, आई विल गेट ऑफेंडेड। व्हाई?
Correct.
Culture diversity,
Culture.
religious diversity, understand? Okay, you give,
Yeah.
maybe you drink, I don't know. So if I give
Yeah.
alcohol to you, let's say, if I give alcohol to you, maybe you will be happy. If you drink, if you don't
Yeah.
drink, you will get offended.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, so we need
Correct.
to,
Yeah.
when you are giving recognition and rewards, you need to understand that money is not the just only reward. Sometimes जो है ना, नॉन टेंजिबल, थप्पी लगाना, खुश करना, वाह यार बड़ा काम किया, दैट्स ऑल्सो अ रिवॉर्ड। So you do
Correct.
assessment of individual and team assessment. ट्रेनिंग्स करते हैं, फिर ट्रेनिंग्स करने के बाद पहले ट्रेनिंग की मेजर करते हैं कि ट्रेनिंग करनी किसकी है, उसके बाद ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, फिर ट्रेनिंग को मेजर करते हैं कि ट्रेनिंग मुकम्मल प्रॉपर हुई है कि नहीं हुई है, ऑल दोज थिंग. दिस स्लाइड इज क्लियर.
Correct. Perfect. No problem.
So we have team development stages, we discuss this. Then now we manage the team. जब आप टीम चल रही है तो टीम में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स तो आने हैं ना सर. तो
Correct.
वो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट मैनेजमेंट से कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को सॉल्व करते हैं कि कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होना क्या है क्या नहीं है. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट शुड ऑलवेज बी ऑन प्रेजेंट and on problem,
Not on past.
not on past.
Yeah.
So we have confronting, collaboration, compromise. I think they are clear to you.
This is clear. Yes, sir. No worries.
Okay.
Smoothing, forcing withdrawal, ये भी clear है.
Okay. So let's do the